Organic pest control for pill bugs. Pill bugs are sometimes referred to as roly-polies or doodlebugs. They're nocturnal feeders that target any decaying organic material, so they're a real nuisance in mulched gardens. Well-established plants aren't typically on their menu, but tender young seedlings are another matter and run a close second in the favorites race. These critters also enjoy fruits and vegetables that rest on the mulch or soil as they mature. Pill bugs are a huge pain for gardeners, but they're relatively easy to manage with organic pest control measures that don't require the use of dangerous chemicals. Things you'll need: empty food cans, black plastic sheeting, old boards, fruits such as oranges, melons and grapefruit, soapy water. Cut the tops and bottoms from empty food cans. Wash them with hot soapy water and rinse well. Collar your young seedlings with the cans, and press them into the soil to secure them in place. These are also highly effective against cutworms. Lay black plastic sheeting over any mulched areas that you can. This material makes the soil beneath it too hot for most insects, including pill bugs. Lay some old boards on the ground near your pill bug problem areas. The insects will congregate underneath them overnight. Flip the boards over the next morning and pour very hot water on them. They'll quickly die. Cut fruits such as oranges, melons and grapefruit in half. Enjoy the snacks and save the rinds. Set them cut side up around the gardening area in the evening. Pill bugs will be attracted to the fruit and collect inside the rinds overnight. Head out to the garden the next morning with a bucket of soapy water. Empty the bugs and the rinds into the bucket. Turn your chickens or ducks out in areas affected by pill bugs. These birds absolutely adore them. Water early in the morning to give the soil surface a chance to dry out by nightfall, when pill bugs become active. These insects love moist environments.